What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and the longest trip I've ever made for a car was from Tennessee to Georgia. Drove through a rainstorm, then on the way back, drove through a snowstorm, and I did all that to pick up an old Lincoln Mark 7. When I recorded that video, I said I would never do something like that ever again. I would never go that far for a car, and in true car guy fashion, I decided to outdo myself because this time I'm going to be going 900 plus miles, 16-hour drive going, 16-hour drive coming from Tennessee all the way back to my roots, back to where I grew up, where I lived my whole life, the 305. Miami. I'm going back to Miami, except this time I'm not picking up any Lincolns. Nope, you guys read the title. I'm driving more than 800 miles for a combined 30-something plus hours, my entire weekend, for a Crown Victoria. This moment right here, you guys have no idea the things that I have planned with that Crown Victoria that I am picking up, guys. I'm telling you, this is just the beginning. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be trading, well, not really trading. As a matter of fact, this car, this 1987 Unicorn two-door Mercury Grand Marquis, is now going to belong to my mom. This car, this old timer, is on its way to retire to Miami, and in return, I'm going to be bringing back the Crown Vic. My mom is getting this. It's barely going to get driven. It's going to be in a nice sunshine state for the rest of its life, and in turn, I'm bringing back the Crown Vic. I think it's a fair trade. We got everything set up, guys. So there's only one thing left to do, guys. I got a 16-hour drive ahead of me. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Hopefully this truck makes it. I'll catch you guys in Miami. Here we go. All right, guys, we are officially in Georgia. Georgia. You know how to do it, man. Every damn time I come to Georgia, I gotta do the Georgia. Anyways, we are in Georgia. This is my second stop, second time I've had to fuel up. This big old thing takes up a lot of gas. Grand Marquis is doing freaking phenomenal, getting a lot of looks. There goes another car towing another, what is that, 55 Chevy. But yeah, man, old Grand Marquis over here is getting a lot of looks, getting a lot of thumbs up. I just hope to God this thing doesn't get stolen in Miami. Oh, man. Anyways, it was just a little update. We're about just a couple hours away from hitting Florida. Then after that, we have an 8-hour drive. We're gonna be getting to Miami sometime around 11 or midnight. So you guys won't be seeing the actual Crown Vic until then. Either way, if anything interesting happens along the way, I'll make sure to film it. I'm trying to save my battery though for when I get to Miami. All right, so let me see something here real quick. Let me see what time it is. At 12:36. Mr. Random Reviews was going through the ATL right now, Atlanta, Georgia. Passing through, man. Anybody watching this in the ATL, I was right here, man. 12:36. Damn, we gotta meet up sometime. Got my mom over here keeping me busy, man. It's crazy though, man. Like where I'm used to living right now in the country. Look at this. Damn, I'm living in the country right now, guys. I'm not used to this anymore. This is crazy, man. Your traffic is crazy. I'm not even in Florida yet. I can't imagine what that's gonna be like hauling this old Grand Marquis right here, man. This old tank in the back. Anyways, ATL, man. You guys got some good weather down here. Shitty traffic, but hey, I'll be going to Miami. All right, guys. We finally made it to Florida. I got 4 hours to go. Oh. Tired as hell, man. I've been driving for about 12 hours. Got another 4 hours to go, but at least we made it to Florida, man. We're getting to Miami around midnight, so I just hope I make it there in one piece, man. Thank God I got my mom talking up a storm over here. Well, she's not talking right now, but she's been talking up a storm, man, keeping my ass awake. Take it easy.
Cantar de la tierra mía que echa flores al Jesús de la agonía y es la flores. Solo eres tú mi cantar. ¡Ay, me está grabando! No puedo cantar ni quiero. Este Jesús del madero sigo que anduvo en la mar. Solo eres tú mi cantar. No
not miss this. We're in Miami now, man. Welcome to Miami. I can feel my life slipping away in this traffic. It's all coming back to me now. All the years of life I lost sitting in this damn traffic. I don't miss any of this shit. Take me back to the country right now. Take me back to the country. You can keep this crap. Keep it. We're in the hood right now, man. We're in Opa-locka. Anybody who lives in Miami knows about Opa-locka, man. Where my Opa-locka people at? You see me rolling out with this old ass Mercury Grand Marquis. You already know what time it is, man. And there's a 7-Eleven. There's all the little corner stores. I'm back in my old place, man. Little Havana. Right in the heart of it. It's midnight. Well, not even. Yeah, it's midnight. And there's people out here like if it's 12 p.m. I'm definitely not used to this, man. All right, guys. So I'm going to paint a quick picture for you guys. It's like 1 in the morning. We're in the middle of Section 8 housing out here. This is where I used to live. This is where my mom lives. By the way, they stepped up their game now. They actually got like gates and stuff. Anyways, it's like 1 in the morning, middle of Little Havana. I just unloaded this loud ass this really loud Marquis. We're just gonna load the Crown Vic, and I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow pretty much why it is that I came all the way over here for this car. But anyways, we're gonna load this thing up right now as we speak, and I hope that the nosy neighbors don't call the cops on us. Here we go.
Dale, dale. Sí. Un poquito más. Otro poquitico más.
I forgot I'm trapped. You're supposed to undo this part of the U-Haul right here so that you're able to open up the door. It's like 1 in the morning. I can't think straight. I've been driving for 16 hours. The night isn't over yet, boys. Night isn't over yet. All right, guys, we got the Casola's Pizza on deck. We're sitting in the Grand Marquis. Just got to do it up one more time. Hit that thing up. Nothing like some pizza at 3 in the morning and then waking up in 2 hours and doing another 16-hour drive. See you guys in the morning. Man, I haven't heard an airplane in like 2 years, no lie. I'm not gonna lie though, oh, there it is over there. There's nothing prettier than a Miami, Florida morning, man, especially when it's just like sunny like this. Damn, there's just a certain feeling that comes over you, man, your hometown. Anyways, I noticed something weird. I was gonna ride over there to show you guys the Crown Vic, but I realized something. You see the rims on this car are exactly the rims on that Mustang. That's crazy. What are the odds of that? So what we're gonna be doing right now is we're gonna be transferring over all the stuff. Come on. From my mom's Crown Vic to from my mom's white Crown Vic to her new ride, the Grand Marquis. All right, guys, now that I got myself situated, let me tell you guys why I drove 16 miles to get this Crown Victoria. This used to belong to a detective from Fort Lauderdale Police Department. The idle hours in this Crown Victoria are ridiculously low. I'm talking about like under 3,000 idle hours. It's not even in the high 2s. And all the miles that it does have quite a bit of mileage. All of that is highway miles. But the main reason why I got this car is because this is one of the best kept, most immaculate Crown Victorias I've ever seen. There isn't a spot of rust in this car besides the obvious dirt and leaves and stuff like that. It is one of the best maintained Crown Victorias that I've ever seen compared to the black one that I have back at home. That's why I didn't even bother fixing that one or putting a new transmission in it, because the entire engine, almost every component of that black Crown Vic's engine was rusted to hell. This one, the bottom, the top, the engine, every last bit of this car is absolutely immaculate. Now, obviously, I do have a lot of work ahead of me, guys. Oh, there goes that reggaeton music. I do have a lot of work cut out for me, guys, but that's all part of the fun. It was awesome coming back to Miami, to my hometown. There's moments where you actually really do miss being here, but then you hit that traffic and the people that actually live here, and it's like, yeah, give me back to the country. And that's how I'm gonna end the video, guys. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for joining me, for coming along on my journey. I usually don't like these driving videos, and I'm gonna go get something videos, but I thought this was really special. I got to ride out with my mom for 16 hours. We got to bond a little bit, and I got to pick up a badass Crown Vic. Guys, I'm telling you, You have no idea what's in store for this car. Oh wait, we got another airplane. Yeah, I feel like a tourist looking at these airplanes, man. I haven't seen one in so long fly over me, man. Like the middle of the hills have eyes where I live. Anyways, guys, I have so much planned for this Crown Victoria. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be a one of a kind. You've never seen one the way I'm gonna be building this thing. It's gonna be a little crazy for some of you, but it's definitely gonna change the Crown Victoria game. Please keep an eye out. I'll catch you guys on the next Crown Victoria video. Damn, it feels good saying that. I haven't said that in a while. Well, damn, we saved some time. We got pretty much 14-hour drive compared to the 16-hour that it was gonna be. Of course, because there's no surprise, there's another accident along the way. Anyways, man, this is where my journey ends in Miami and where my trip starts all over again. Damn, I love you, Miami. No, I'm just kidding. Adiós, pero dile adiós.
Adiós.